Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Pamper Yourself with Ittu, and today I am here with the EID Look makeup tutorial. Let's see how I created this look. So without wasting any time, let's move further. So yeah, how's my today's video? Let me know, write it down in the comment section below. And if you like my video, don't forget to turn great thumbs up blue. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you can get to know all the notification when I'll be posting my next video. So till then, stay tuned, stay gorgeous, toodles guys.